Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to deactivate call forwarding on Android phone. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly, open the dialer of your mobile phone. So after this you can see three dot on top right corner. So just click on it, and in this you can see setting option. So just tap on it. So after this, so you can see supplementary services, so click on it, and here you can see different options like show your caller ID, call forwarding, call bearing, call waiting, fix dialer number. So click on call forwarding options. So when you will click on call forwarding options, so you can see different options. So here wait some second. So when you will click on call forwarding, so you can see allow option. So just click on it, and after this click on voice calls. So when you will click on it, you can see always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered. So firstly click on forward when busy. So just when you will disable these options, so your forward call will be deactivate. So after disables, so here you can also disable when forward when unanswered. So again disable these options. So after this your forward call will be deactivate on Android phone. So guys, in this way you can deactivate forward call on Android phone. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.